Hello there, this is Evans again to the review of the 4000D camera. There are a lot of things that you need to know about the 4000D camera, as you can see right here. Okay, a lot of guys have asked me, when you are video shooting with the 4000D, actually there is no port for the microphone input. So here we only have our voice recorder right here, but for these ports here we've got the HDMI and the USB connection, but no place for external microphone. So I want to show you one thing. Okay, let's see. I came across a video that it had a very nice thumbnail that there is a USB cable that you can use. You connect it here, you connect it to the USB connection, then insert your microphone, external microphone. But that ain't any true. The cable, I'll show you. The cable looks like this one. Alright, so let's see. I'll show you how to just use your camera the way it is. There is no external port. Okay, so here for the HDMI and the USB port, and there is only this internal voice recorder. There is no port for external microphone. There is no place for jacking it in, no place for it. So I'll show you how to use this one, this that you have, to record your videos. There was a video that I recorded. You can check it on my latest video that I uploaded in my channel. You can check out the playlist and DSLR cameras 4000D. It is there also. Check it right here, and you can realize that there's some background noise, a lot of background noise in it. So I'll show you how to actually try to get rid of that background noise. So just turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. When you turn on your camera, go to movie mode, switch to movie mode. When you switch to movie mode, okay, let me just remove this one right here. When you switch to movie mode, as you can see here, when you go to movie mode, then just click on the menu, then go to sound recording. Sound recording is auto. Just click set, this button here. Then there is auto, sound record auto. Then there is wind filter disabled. So when you disable the sound recording, the wind filter here in the sound recording, when you disable it, you realize that when you're taking your videos using this voice recorder in your camera, there is a lot of noise. Actually, it captures all the sound breezes. Just a breath in it, then the camera records it. So when you're taking your videos, you're shooting your videos in places where there is a lot of wind, you're not gonna get a better video out of it. So go to movie mode, then go to menu, then sound recording. Here, you see here, sound recording is auto. That one you can choose either manual or, but that's not the case here. We'll go to wind filter. When you enable the wind filter, go to enable. So actually when you're taking your videos, you'll record very nice sound as compared to the one who is doing it with the wind filter disabled. When I bought this camera, I thought that this pamphlet here, getting started with Canon EOS 4000D, it would help me in my video recording. Now, it didn't. I read through everything. There was nothing like inputting an external microphone. So I got really bored. I went to YouTube. I did a lot of research to see how I can use my external microphone. Then I had to shoot this video to show you that there is no external microphone for 4000D camera. Or otherwise you can use your lavalier microphones that you can mount here, but then you record, but it doesn't go along with the video. You have to edit it in other softwares like Wondershare, Filmora. There are a lot of guys doing videos on 4000D, but no one is telling us about the microphone. So I had to do that. I hope guys you you understand that. Don't trouble yourself looking for the microphone. That is it, and that is that. So I came across this guy here. Okay, I won't mention his name. It's a he. Okay? Okay, let's just search here in Google that is there a microphone port. Is there a microphone port for 4000D camera? Okay, here there's 1,420,000 results, 0.62 seconds. Wow! That is how to connect external microphone on Canon EOS 4000D. Tutorial how to use an external microphone, how to set up and use external microphone on Canon DSLR. Okay, does the Canon EOS 4000D have a mic input? Okay, let's go here. How do I connect my microphone to my Canon EOS 4000D? Let's see the answer here. Pick up your Canon 4000D. Look for the mic info port in your camera, of which here there is no port. Okay, there is no port. Go to menu, film settings. Okay, so there is no microphone for our 4000D. That is the decision, guys. That is the decision. So if you're looking for a camera that has a microphone input, don't go for this camera. It has no mic input. There is no mic input for that. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so don't miss my videos on Canon 4000D. Thank you. See you next time.